Hello, beautiful people. Hi, how is everyone doing? Good afternoon and good evening. There's this video trending on Instagram. A man who came to an event where the wife was at the moment and started dragging his wife. He practically dragged his wife out of the seat with the reason that their son was at the hospital and his wife had the effrontery to come for an event. Please just take a look of the video. Analyze it after you must have done watching. Just take a look and watch the video.
Your son is in the hospital.
Honestly, when I saw this video, you could tell a very abusive man. If a man could come to the public in a gathering, in a hall filled with so many people, the wife was seated at the front row, that could tell probably the wife was one of the hosts of the meeting or a seminar. I think it looks like a seminar, something of such, gathered with a lot of women and some men, and a man could just come in there, went to the front row to drag his wife. The woman don't see shege, as in her eyes don't see shege for that marriage. You came there to embarrass yourself. Honestly, you did not disgrace the woman. I could tell maybe he came to embarrass her. Unfortunately, you came to embarrass yourself. You came to tell the world who you are. You dressed up, came to an event. People were gathering to drag your wife, drag her on her dress. What if her clothes are torn? You tear her clothes in the process. You naked your wife in the process because your son is in the hospital. What are you doing? Don't you know the road to the hospital? Can't you be at the hospital between a space of time, probably 1 hour, 2 hours, until your wife is done to go back to the hospital? Even if at that, there's a way you could come over to the front row, speak to your wife to her ear, telling her, oh, babe, can I see you for a moment? Both of you will go outside. You resolve your issue there, but no, you chose violence. You chose to tell the world how you treat her at home, how you can slap her, how you can drag her clothes, you just came to show how you can treat her. She's nothing to you. You do whatever you like. If you can boldly come to the public to display that level of violence towards your wife, you can imagine what that woman is going through behind closed doors. You see, some of these Nigerian men, I don't know who raised them. I don't know the kind of mothers. Let me not throw some mothers under the bus, but truth be told, men especially, anyhow, whichever way men behave, there is always their mother validating those stupid attitudes. If you see a well-behaved man, go and check their mother. Check their mother. Because oftentimes, children listen to their mothers. Boys listen to their mothers. They listen when they are going left And oftentimes when their mother call them back on, they don't even have the support of their mothers. They tend to come back from their evil doing. But when you see men who go 100% displaying highest level of stupidity, even to the extent that the level of stupidity that society will even condemn, go and check out their mother. They are getting 100% validation from their mothers. Their mothers are always supporting them. Men that are always behaving towards their wives, their mothers are always 99.9% always behind them, championing their behaviors, putting fire for them to behave like animals towards their wives. And those ones that behave well towards their wives, go and check, they get the good advice. Most of the things they do, we are putting them by their mothers most times. That's why I'm calling who raised them. What kind of mother raised this kind of men that will publicly come to the open space, to the public, to disgrace your own wife? Anyway, I don't support violence, but I like the way the woman, since you came to the public to disgrace me, I love the way the woman defended herself. The way she defended herself. Yes, if you can display your stupidity, let everybody be stupid at the same time. If marriage wants scatter, make it scatter. This one is equal. This one is not marriage now. If you can come to the public to disgrace your wife in that manner, she's not even married. She's married to something nobody can even recognize. Anyway, guys, you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and leave your comments, like, share this video, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. I will leave you guys here. We meet in my next video. Bye for now, and take good care of yourself. Have a lovely week.